Hello, my name is Oliver, and I am your teacher and friend. And I want to welcome you to Hello, my little kitties.
We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Hello, my little kitties. Today, we have a show on building our word list. We want to help you grow your vocabulary so that you will be able to learn great new words. So join me as we learn together. A is for apple. B is for balloon. C is for castle. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for fire truck. G is for garden. H is for hot dog. I is for ice cream. J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for leaf. M is for mop. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for peach. Q is for queen. R is for run. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for up. V is for van. W is for wet. X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow. The bird's color is yellow. Z is for zebra. That's our show for today. Now go out and do something nice for someone else. Have a nice day, my little kitties.